Today, I cannot see how supply chain can work without technology. Probably less than 30 years ago, we probably did not have an email that could send an order to a supplier. Today, I don't even have to send anything because my system connects with the supplier's system. We've got vendors of applications out there who are building new tools every day. There are the enterprise resource planning tools, ERP tools. I was actually in a conference where people talked about the use of drones for tracking materials. Now, that's a recent application to supply chain management. Think about robotics. That's changing the world in the sort of distribution and materials handling area. Now you program robots to do what people did in the past. Would that mean that we have 10 people in a warehouse that used to have 30 people? Possibly. But then we can have the other 20 people actually go do something else and retool them and reskill them. And so we're better able to deploy the human resource in a much better way, in a value-add way, and allow the tactical stuff to be handled by robots. How about that?